so I was so bold. I said, you see these two cold fingers, these crooked fingers I show. You the way to me, no, well, he didn't like that much, I can tell you. He says, sunshine, I wouldn't want to be in your shoes. He chased me up 3 flights of stairs, going to lift outside and said hello. But you're impossible, and it's just like he's in another world. He doesn't see the danger or show. They'll wind the blood jokes and bloody in the hole. It's just like she's in another world, you know, they suit each other, no. She never gets close. Oh, it's interesting. So the same 2 men on the Cali Road. So now they double their offer, I was so bold. To say, see these 2 cold fingers I know, these crooked fingers I show. Oh, use a way to me, no, but it's just like he's in another world. He doesn't see the danger or show. And he'll end up like Joseph, bloody in the hole. It's just like she's in another world, and I should teach her that I know. It's hard upon her, never get close. Unstoppable. Just like all in another world, and I would suit each other, no. She never get close, that's close enough.
That was the Libertines with Up the Bracket. You don't half like that one, don't you, mate?
I love the Libertines, mate.
You like Doherty, don't you?
Yeah, I
always go and see him as much as you can, don't you?
Yeah, and I know like he's a bit of a waste of space personally, but well, not in himself because he's a heavy drug user, isn't he? But you know.
Yeah, but let's not call him for that. You know
I'm not calling him. Sorry, I'm not calling him.
He's in life, don't they?
You know what? Some of the most talented people in the world are flawed, aren't they?
Look at me, I've been fighting.
There is that. Yeah,
I've
you
been
have.
fighting the bear and I'm winning the battle, mate.
Yeah,
I'm going to my 8th week this on Monday.
That's good, that.
That's good, that, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm telling you.
That's alright.
You got to be feeling better than yourself over that.
Yeah, I am, but my chest is seems to be caved in.
Yeah.
They don't help.
No.
Not that we're smoking in the studio.
No,
because we don't do things like that, do we, mate? But I'll get there, that's my next one.
That's exactly right, isn't it?
You know, if we can beat this battle, one at a time.
All power to you. All power to you, pal. Isn't it? You can't argue with that. 8 weeks.
I want to talk about something now that's affected me personally this week. Right. Depression in young kids.
Oh, it's massive.
It's massive, mate. Do you think it might be down to all these games and that they're playing and Facebook and social media? Stuff like that.
There's a lot of pressure on them, isn't there? Just purely and simply because of that, isn't there?
Yeah, we didn't have it in our day, did we? And I didn't realise the extent of the problem that was out there. But recently I've come across it and I've tried to get help off the doctor. And they're saying to me it takes 2 weeks. Now, if someone's depressed,
2 weeks?
If someone's depressed, to go and see you.
Yeah.
See your counsellor,
Yeah. I can speak
now,
about
if
this.
Someone's depressed, surely you'd get them in there straight away, wouldn't you? Especially if they're going a bit suicidalish.
Yeah, definitely.
Well,
there is a statistic that I'm not sure what the percentages are, but it's quite a high percentage of people that go to the doctors with depression never ever make the second appointment.
That's madness, that, isn't it?
Because they take their own lives.
I know.
And in truth, with mental health issues being
bad thing,
as massive as they are, I think it's probably one of the biggest killers, isn't it?
Yeah. Unknown killers, silent killers.
Yeah, absolutely, because it's not a physical thing, is it?
No, it's not a physical thing. You can't tell how anyone's feeling. And you can't say to them, pull yourself together, man. Because you don't know what they're thinking, do you?
Well, that makes it worse, I think.
Yeah.
That makes it definitely... And I can speak from that, from a personal point of view. And I've got to say that in the first 2 weeks, that's the time when people need the most care.
Yeah, you're most vulnerable.
Absolutely.
Once you can get on the medication and you can get seen to, then hopefully it can put you on the right track if you've got the right medication.
If you've got the right medication.
Right. But if
some of them send you the other way.
Yeah, I know, it's mad, isn't it?
Some of them send you deeper and deeper down.
Well, when I started on them anti-boosts, let me tell you this, I know this is not, like, what's it related?
It's one of the same thing, though.
Yeah, it's still a problem. But when I started on that, was I tired? I was tired. I was constantly tired. I was sleeping. All I've got to do is take one of them, and that's it, mate. I don't wake up. So it does keep you off the beer.
Well, I mean, sleeping your way through it is not
it's not
ideal, is it?
It's not the answer, no. And then I thought, well, I'll take the first 2 weeks course. I'll go in and see him. And I said to him, I said, I'm constantly tired. I said, I'm falling asleep at work. I said, I can't get motivated. He went, that is one of the symptoms. He went, he said, just bear with it, because the goodness that I'll be doing you far outweighs the badness. And I thought, well, I'm going to go with that.
You've got to,
because they know what they're talking
about. Well, they're the doctors, aren't they? And I mean, I don't know how doctors are trained in mental health, because I'm sure that only because they're just generals. I mean, saying just general, they cover a wide spectrum, don't they? Of
course they do.
And until you get into the hands of the proper specialist, you're vulnerable.
You're going on their advice, are you? All the time.
Of course you are.
Do you know what I mean?
And I think the NHS needs to step up.
I do.
And the government needs to step up in the funding.
Out in the funding for the mental health issues.
Absolutely.
And the aftercare.
Yeah.
The aftercare is the more important.
The aftercare sometimes is pretty poor. Of
course it is. He's got nowhere to go.
Nowhere.
There's people with mental health issues that are on the streets that have got absolutely nothing, mate.
Yeah, well, not just
wrong.
And you know what? It's not just people on the street side. It's people that have gone through treatment, and I can speak about that from my own personal point of view. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I've not seen a doctor. Nobody's followed me up.
Yeah.
I've seen the psychiatrist once. I've had no follow-ups.
No treatment.
Well, after my medication, I've had nothing. Right. I've been to see the doctor once when I was feeling really, really poorly. He upped my tablets, and that seems to have done the trick. But there's absolutely no follow-up from the psychiatric services, none whatsoever. As far as I'm concerned,
there has been a massive improvement in it, hasn't there?
Yeah, of course there has.
Massive,
Of course there has, yeah. And
massive.
Some days are better than others.
Obviously,
Smith's tune goes, some girls are bigger than others.
Some girls are bigger than others.
But some days are better than others, and it's just a struggle. Life is a struggle. With that.
Life's a struggle.
So, I owe my heart, big place in my heart for people that are suffering with a silent illness.
Young kids.
Anybody.
Yeah, anyone.
With a silent, especially kids, because you've got their whole life in front of them.
Exactly.
But if they can conquer it at an early age,
you can conquer anything, can't you?
Hopefully it'll stand them in good stead for the future.
Of course it will. Of course.
And everybody has bad times, don't they, Simon? Let's not confuse bad times with depression, because that's what a lot of people do. It's not about that.
No, it's not about that.
It's not about that at all.
You're right.
It's not about that at all. So, let's get them looked at properly, isn't it? Let's have a look at the... I mean, it's all right us sitting here saying this, isn't it? But,
let's sort the problem out. We need to find the root of the problem, don't we?
Well,
and the root of the problem sometimes can be government funding, mate.
Well,
I don't want to keep chirping on about it, but... I don't want to be too political, but that's the way I see it. Well, right, on that note, let's go to a track. We've got a very special request from a Leo Murphy.
Right.
He wants Burlesque by Family.
Right,
it's a good song. I've just had a listen to it, and I thought, it's not so bad. He seems to know his music, that Leo.
He knows the score, old Captain.
I'll see you Sunday at the game, pal. That's all I'm saying.
you alone. Oh, baby, two in that dress, destination burlesque. Said I got all my cars in one shoe. Oh, I got all my cars in one shoe. I got all my cars in one shoe.
'Night swimming deserves a quiet night. Photograph on the dashboard, taken years ago. Turned around back so the windshield shows every street light revealed.